So hey guys, welcome back to this another episode. You are watching Octacular Edits. Today in this episode, you're gonna learn how I made this poster. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Open up any image. Here I'm using a transformer image. Then remove its background. Control plus J to remove the background. Delete older layer. Then change the color of this background. I'm taking it white. Convert it to Then add text. Here I am writing trans, TRAN, transformer. I will write it with white and take this to above this layer. Small the size. Like this. Then write NS. Trans. Like this. Increase the size of the background a little bit here, like this. Then write transformers, small formers for MUIC formers. Keep it here a little bit more. This is okay. Then select the layer and add one more layer. Then increase the size to add shadow. Make it smooth. Change the color to black. Like this. This is okay. This is okay. Then I am taking individual words in 3 layers. Make all the letters closer, like this. Same with now add some shadow. Same with R, add one layer, drag down. Add the shadow. Same with NS. Here in NS also I will do the same, so I'm skipping this part. Then add one more layer and change the brush. I'm having different preset. Like this. Change the color to dark red, dark pink, like this. Then add a circle. Take it above the layer. Then add some blur. Press OK. Then duplicate this layer. Take this circle upwards. Increase the size. Control D to transform. Take this here, like this. Press OK. Add some more blur. This is okay. Then select this leg, not whole, only leg. Control G to duplicate and add a strip and drag down. Add some shadow to the leg. Then add text write the name or something, whatever you need. In this case I am writing the name of the transformer. BUMBLEVEE. Yeah. Control T to transform and rotate it. Keep it here. Yeah, like this. Now make some shapes on the pink strip. Duplicate this. Yeah, make arrow, change the color. Yeah, like this. Duplicate this and rotate. Yeah, keep this here. Then add any texture. Here I am using my own texture. First select all layers and convert it to smart object, and then add a texture. Here I am having my own texture, so this is I am going to use this. Yeah, change the blending mode.